Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step a very easy way on how to prepare your pineapple juice at home yourself. Okay, the first thing I started by peeling off the back of the pineapple. You may peel off everything because we are going to be drinking it. Okay, then after that I'm going to slice my pineapple into pieces, just the way it can blend very well and very smooth for you. After slicing my pineapple, I'll go ahead and add it to my bowl. This is not the only thing that we'll be needing for our pineapple juice today. Just stay tuned, watch this video to the end, like, share and subscribe. You are going to see a lot that we are going to be doing today. Okay, so guys, let me tell you guys the benefits of pineapple. So pineapple juice contains nutrients and beneficial compounds that may support your health. Okay, and it may also boost your immunity system, and it can also improve your digestion. Okay, so after that I'm going to be adding my ginger. Ginger is good for your flat stomach. If you want, ginger can also helps you to digest, and it's really nice. Then after that I'm going to add to my blender, add my water. Make sure you add a full cup of water so it can blend very well. Okay, so I need this juice to be mush. I want to put it in the fridge. I really need to drink juice this time. That's why I prepared this mush juice. Okay, then after that I'm going to blend very well till it's well smooth. After blending, I'm going to strain the water. After straining the water, your pineapple juice is ready, guys. This is a very simple, nice, and it's really good. Pineapple juice is good for your immunity system. It helps digestion, contains vitamin B6, a lot of nutrients and minerals that you really want to try at home yourself. This is my pineapple juice is ready. If today is your first time of coming across this channel or this Facebook page, please do well to subscribe or follow my page, like my video and share for more videos. I do baby food, natural recipe on DIYs. I will see you all on my next video. Bye.